This is Chris Wooten with Wooten Injury Law in Huntsville, Alabama, and today we're going to talk about property damage. If you're in a car wreck and your car gets hit, and you're in a collision, there's damage to it, what are the things that you're actually entitled to under the law? This is something we get questions about all the time. First of all, if your vehicle has been damaged and it's something that can be reasonably repaired, you are entitled to the cost of repair. The way this is normally handled by the insurance company is either they do an estimate and they write you a check for the cost of the repairs. Then you can take that to whatever shop you want, or you take it to their certified or preferred shop, and they just go ahead and take care of the entire thing. The vehicle is repaired, they pay for it, and then you pick it up when it's ready. Now, if your vehicle can't be reasonably repaired, if it's what's called totaled, that means that your car is a total loss. Basically, in that situation, you're entitled to the fair market value of the vehicle. Now, that's not what you paid for it. That's not what you put into it. That's not what you would have taken it. That is what it could have been bought or sold for with the mileage it had and the condition it was in immediately before the wreck. If you're wondering what the fair market value for your vehicle is, a lot of times you can look at websites like Kelley Blue Book or the NADA price guide and see what a similar vehicle is going for at the time. Now, if your vehicle is totaled out, you basically sell it to the insurance company, and so you end up having to do any title paperwork and things like that, just like you were selling it. Now, if you have a note left on your car, if you're still making payments on it, whoever your lender is going to have to be paid first. So the money from the insurance company for the total loss, they take the fair market value, they pay off the lender. They pay off the car note, and then you get whatever's left. So, that's something you always want to keep in mind as well. Another thing that people ask us a lot about is whether there's rental coverage. That the law calls that loss of use. Now, in Alabama, Alabama does not actually require rental coverage on an insurance policy. So if you are involved in a wreck and the other person's insurance has rental coverage, a lot of times they will pay for a rental vehicle for you while your car is in the shop, or until they make the total loss offer on it. Once they make that offer, though, you got to take the rental car back. If you've got rental coverage on your vehicle, and whether it's another person's fault or not, a lot of times your car insurance will pay for a rental for you to use until your vehicle is either repaired or until the total loss offer is made. Now, if neither side has rental coverage, in that situation, you're out of luck, because even though it's a convenience that a lot of policies offer, it is not required under Alabama law. So that's something you always want to keep in mind. So when it comes to property damage in a wreck, the three big things you want to think about are the reasonable cost of repair, the fair market value of your vehicle if it's been totaled, and then whether or not rental coverage may be available. If you've been in a wreck, or if you just got questions about how property damage works, you should talk to an attorney.